Hi, I'm Allison Sobieski of PGS Network. I'm here at Ganim Legal with attorney Paul Ganim. And I know when there's a car accident and somebody's involved in an accident, there's a lot of panic that goes into it. Tell me what people should do immediately.
Take a deep breath and relax. I mean, you're in an accident, and what often happens is many people don't even know that they're hurt because very often we get injured, there's trauma, there's adrenaline flowing, and we're in a little bit of a panic mode. Um, you're going to stay in your car, call the police. When you get out of your car, when the police come, get out of your car, take a look at the accident scene and see what happened. Report what happened to the officer. You have to and you should really call an officer at all times. Exchange information. Everybody, a lot of people have cell phones nowadays. Take some photographs right there. It sounds crazy, but take the photographs of where the cars are at the time of the accident. It's extremely helpful later on when maybe there's a dispute in liability. The other things you want to do is, if you're injured and you're feeling a little bit funny, get checked out. Better to be safe than sorry. Very often I have clients that come in and they were in an accident, they declined the ambulance, they get home, the following morning they wake up and they're sore from head to toe and they don't know what to do. And obviously you go to the doctor, you go to the emergency room, see your regular family doctor and seek to help and define what's going on. It's better to treat injuries, they say, early on than later. You really don't want to skip it.
And when should they turn for legal advice if that's necessary?
It's a question. So if you believe you're uncomfortable in what to do and how to do it, you should turn right away. It's not an area in which you're dealing with every day. It's not an area in which you're going to know what to do and how to do it. And nowadays, insurance companies are a little bit tricky in what they do. They'll call you up. May call you up the same day and say, "How you doing?" And you respond, "I think I'm okay." And the next thing you know, next day you wake up and you're sore. And now they've taken what they call a recorded statement from you, and they've taken notation that you said you're okay. And later on, they're going to use it and say, "Oh, you told us you were okay. Now you say you're injured." And they play these games, or they say, "Give us the information. We'll help you along." And they lull you along, and we're going to pay this, we're going to pay that, and we're going to take care of it. And then they simply don't. They just, and I've seen it happen time and time again. And they'll say, "Mr. Ganim, they told me they were going to take care of it. They said to send the medical bills, and we'll pay for them." And now I can't even get anybody to answer the phone. And it's because, unfortunately, folks are trusting and a little bit naive in the process. And we're talking about big corporate giant insurance companies that know how to play these things and how to angle their case to save themselves money. So.
Well, it's hard to plan ahead if you're going to be involved in a car accident, but know that you can turn to Ganim Legal and attorney Paul Ganim here for any assistance that you need. You can schedule a free consultation by visiting ganimlegal.com or calling the office.
And by the way, you mentioned free consultation. We do absolutely do free consultations. But when somebody is injured, we often work on what we call a contingent basis. We won't take a fee unless we're able to recover money for them. We don't add insult to injury by saying we need a fee up front. We will pay the expenses, we'll carry the cost, and we'll represent you clearly and trying to help you and your family. So